And we have 6 people a day dying of an overdose in this province. And if we aren't looking at bigger solutions, we're going to continue to have this.
People who use drugs and advocates are looking for a stronger commitment from BC politicians on a clean supply of drugs to stop the illicit drug poisoning crisis in the province. A government health committee has been examining the response to the crisis since April. 8 months later, it's come out with 37 recommendations, from increasing treatment and recovery funding to improving harm reduction services. Some say it still misses the point of what's killing people.
I don't see any political bravery in their recommendations here.
Dave Ham with the Vancouver Area Network of Drug Users was among many people who spoke with the committee.
There's some good stuff in here. I'm not saying that it's all bad. I'm just saying that there's certain points in here that when it comes to drug user groups and drug users that they maybe didn't quite step up.
The glaring omission for me is actually talking about what's creating the problem. The fact that these drugs are available through organized crime groups is the problem that's killing people. If they're available through health centers, we would be a long way along the path of solving the problem.
The current government prescribed safe supply model gives addiction medicine like Suboxone or methadone to people with diagnosed substance use disorders. But not everyone who is dying from toxic drugs has a diagnosed disorder.
For the people who are sometimes users, those weekend warriors who only use cocaine here and there, they can't access the medical system for clean drugs.
Brittany Graham says the good parts of the recommendations include calls for a big increase in recovery and treatment services and developing measures to get past local opposition to overdose prevention sites and other harm reduction services.
I'm happy that they did it, and I'm sure it's going to take as long as it took to get the recommendations out like this to have them, any of them, implemented.
In Vancouver, Kier Junos, City News.